How to play hard to get with a woman if you are an older man. My first question is this: should a guy play hard to get with woman? If you ever saw a woman you want to keep interested in you, and not sure if you should play hard to get with her, this video is the right one for you. To understand everything, be sure to watch this video till the end. This is not the normal and lame pickup artist stuff, no, it is more. If you want to understand everything, make sure to click the link in the description. But let us start with the first question: should you play hard to get with a woman? The simple answer in a nutshell is yes, you should. Simply because you should be the one that should have the power in the relationship. If you want to hear the first rule for relationships that work and that are romantic, here it is: the partner that is being chased is the one that has the control. If she is chasing you, she is the needy part, and that is what we want to achieve. And you need to be sure, this is not just simply an option, you really have to do it, if you want to be successful with woman. If the man is not the one with the power, the relationship will fail. And that means that she will push you around and treat you really bad. Next thing is that she will always tell you what to do. And if everything is not enough and she not feels happy in the end, she will simply leave you. On the other hand, if you are playing hard to get the right way, you will end up with a woman which is in love with you, for how long you want her to. If you want it, she will be in love with you for life. She will see you as the only authority in life. She will look up to you for all directions and validations she needs in her life. And that all because she is deep in her heart satisfied with a man which is hard to get. But like you probably guess, you must be in power to play hard to get. This is not optional, you are in or you are out. But now comes the most important question. How to play hard to get with a woman. You have to implement in her that if she loses you, she will be losing everything in her life that matters. You must be the main thing in her life. You simply have to satisfy the two biggest things a woman wants from a man. It is number 1, the physical satisfaction, and number 2, emotional satisfaction, or in other words, emotional satisfaction. But like you probably guess, you are not the only man in her life. Yes, there are maybe other guys in her life, giving her the physical and emotional satisfaction in her life. So how do you make her ignore all the other guys and start wanting only you? To achieve this situation, you have to avoid these two mistakes, and trust me, most of guys made one or even both of these mistakes. Number 1 is that they seem too easy to get. I mean, they bomb women with compliments and looking like they are very needy. Or on the other hand, they are too hard to get. This frustrates women really hard. The best way and the only way that will give you success is to find the right balance between these two extremes. So to give her a roller coaster ride of emotions, you will have to give her some bad and some good emotions, not too much bad and not too much good emotions. The mix will make her addicted to you. I will now give you some examples. Some will let you look like you were hard to get, and some will let you look like you were easy to get. To look easy to get, just tell her that you are interested in taking the things between you and her to the next level, etc., or making her a lot of compliments. Some examples for looking hard to get are that you are going to make her think you are not interested in her anymore. You can simply do this by not replying to her messages. I hope you learned the first steps when it comes to seducing women. But to get the whole picture, like I told you, click the link in the description and put in your email address to receive everything you need via email. The first thing will be the free book about this topic.